So in this video we'll see another PPDT sample story, and because this is becoming Waterloo for many candidates to clear the first day's screening test, so let's see in details. Firstly, you are shown a very hazy picture for 30 seconds, and this picture is shown in a very hazy and ambiguous manner intentionally, so that what you note, the name of test is picture perception and description test. So how you perceive the picture and how you perceive, that will be base of your story. So let's see a picture. You'll be shown a picture like this for 30 seconds. So as a candidate, I am observing, first observation is group of 3 people. Then second observation is, in the sky there is some black smoke and a figure visible. Again in the sky I notice a different shape altogether, and I correlate it like this. There is a plane and which is giving smoke, so somebody must have jumped using a parachute, and there is a building visible. So these are my 4 observations. So then I get another 1 minute to write the card. So on this card I write my name, then write my roll number, chest number, batch number. Then I have to write the moods of the characters. So there's one M25 is the pilot actually who has jumped out of the plane. So I've shown his mood as negative. And there are 3 males who are watching from ground, 30, 28, 25. They are all negative. The moods can be positive if they are in some happy situation, and moods are negative when there is a problem situation, and moods are neutral when nothing is specific. Now another very important thing we have to see is, in this 1 minute's time, besides filling these details, this is most important, and this is most important because once you write action, then you cannot change your story. So after writing moods, you have to see what is the visible action. As per me, the action is there is an aeroplane crash situation. Although it's not a very positive thought, but that is what is visible. Then you get 4 minutes time to write the story. Picture will be shown only once, and that will be only for 30 seconds. So what we have noted in the picture is that a group of 4 people watching an aeroplane, there's a building. So what has led to this situation? I mean, how come this situation has arisen? So we have to write the past of the story. So in the past, what I'm writing is, Indrajit after his graduation joined Air Force. He was a pilot, and one day weather was very bad and he was to fly on some urgent duty. So on his way back, his plane caught fire and he had to jump out of the plane with the help of parachute. So this is my background. See the picture again. The present. Meanwhile, Javed, Anthony, Sudhir, they were co-workers. They were doing some official work and were out on field. They were checking guards and fencing of the area, as area was full of wild animals. Suddenly they noticed black smoke in the sky and visibility was bad and nothing much was visible. But they could guess that some aeroplane has caught fire. But Javed anticipated the situation, who was the senior most, and he informed the head office about the incident and alerted the medical and firefighting teams, and also informed nearby civil administration about this situation. Then Sudhir, who was another co-worker, while Javed was doing all this on telephone, so he shouted that, see, the pilot is coming down with parachute. So they all ran towards that direction to help the pilot. Now coming to conclusion, now I'm showing these things like past, present and conclusion, but in actual story you don't have to mention these things because you'll not have so much of time. It is just for your guidance I am writing this. So past, how we came to the situation, present, what is happening in the picture, and conclusion is how the situation would have ended. So after walking and running for about 45 minutes, they reached the location. They spotted the injured pilot lying on ground for after 10 minutes of search. After some time, plane crashed in nearby mountains. But they all could reach the pilot. They found that he had some burn injuries. They guided the medical teams from their office to reach the location to provide the necessary assistance. And Indrajit, who was the pilot, he thanked all three of them, that is Javed, Anthony and Sudhir, for great help which has saved his life. So this is how I perceive the story. Total time we get 5 minutes 30 seconds. Now I will tell you the breakdown of this time. 30 seconds you are shown the picture. 1 minute you to write the card that what age, sex and moods of the characters you are noticing, and the probable action, and then 4 minutes you get to complete the story. So total 5 minutes 30 seconds. But these 5 minutes 30 seconds are very important because they decide your screening out. So now let's see what are the possible discussion points. Now see, the story which I have seen was 3 people and the plane crashing, pilot is coming down, and there's a building available with some kind of administrative support. But some other candidate might have some other version depending on his exposure. Somebody else will have some other version because everybody is from a different background. So after the stories are submitted, candidates are made to sit in a C circle kind of thing for a group discussion, and group discussion is conducted by the GTO, psychologist and the presiding officer. So each candidate is asked to narrate his story. So whatever you have written, you should remember it clearly because you have to speak it out without referring your card. So speak out your story and listen to other story very carefully. Now possible discussion points on this particular story which I have written as a candidate. First point is, if there was bad weather, then why did plane fly? Very logical. Now you have to answer and defend your story. This is how you will be participating in the discussion, because the story writing is only a very less portion. The most important is discussion and how you come to a final story. How they informed the emergency, as there were no phone nearby visible. Logical, because in such areas probably phones will also not work. Fence is not visible in the picture. So the answer you could give that, it was assumed. Why 3 people were working when weather was bad? Very logical. How they noticed plane in such poor visibility? Because sometimes you will find a smoke coming out of some jungles also, or some brick kiln also, or some local village industry also. And the better story could be there was a war situation and plane was hit. So acceptable. Now next point is, why pilot was chosen as a hero? Hero must have been Javed, who from ground team. So it's again possible. It's a possible question. Why I'm saying is that when you write a story, you'll get these kind of questions, and you have to reply to such questions. And if there are no questions from your story, then you must prepare such questions for other stories. This is how you get marks in your discussion. Then again, next one, how pilot thanked when he was injured. Why they waited for medical team to reach? They could have lifted the pilot. Then why no first aid was given to pilot? Then why all the characters are shown in negative mood? At least somebody could have been in positive mood, or pilot could have been in zero mood or something. So that you have to justify by speaking out. And the better story could be that, like I told you before, it was a war situation and plane must have been hit. So, few points to take home. Firstly, write a positive story. Whatever I have written is a kind of positive only. It's a positive ending because we assumed a past. We were in a negative situation, and from negative situation, it turned to a positive situation. Then second point is very important. More than writing a good story, try to justify your story and convince others to accept your story as final version. This means you have to be a very good speaker. And if you are able to speak well, and whether about your story or about other story, your battle is won. You will be through in your screening. Then these discussions are very heated. The story group discussions are very heated, so you maintain a decent language and good temper, and don't shout or this thing, but at the same time keep pressing your point. And as I told you that PPTT is Waterloo for SSB aspirants, and the stories carries only 10 to 15% marks, and discussions are very very important. So I hope you people have understood that in 5.5 minutes time you have to write a story, and then the discussion is carried out. Discussion is about 25 to 30 minutes. So you can imagine the weightage. 5 minutes you are writing a story and 30 minutes you are carrying out discussion. The aim of discussion is firstly to see your thought process, and secondly to see that how well you can lead a group of people to a common solution. So hope I have made myself clear. So thank you for watching, and Jai Hind.